Hi everybody, this is Leah of seejanedrill. Now what we're looking at is a water supply valve underneath the sink. And this is feeding the cold water. It's got a frozen handle and I'm just going to replace it with a new quarter turn. That's what you want to go with. That's what this is. But it's a threaded pipe. It's for threaded pipe. So we'll remove this and I'll show you how easy it is to make that replacement. Now, whether I'm working inside my shop or I'm outside in the elements, Write in the Rain AllWeather Notebooks, keep my notes in good shape. Write in the Rain Notebooks, repel rain, sweat, and grime. To replace the valve, we need to remove the water supply line. That's what this is, this braided line here. Sometimes there's a little residual water left in the line. I've got a little bit of a container to catch whatever water we have there. I'm going to set that underneath. Now I'm going to use an adjustable wrench. That's what this is, to loosen this nut here. Let me see if I can do it by hand now. So what I've done is I've taken the screw off the handle. I'm going to pull the handle off. Now it is cut off at the main, but there's a little bit of a drip. I've got a pipe wrench here. I'm going to place our pipe wrench on that back nut right here, and I'm going to turn. So here we go. Now I'm just going to do it by hand here. There we go. Okay, so there's my pipe there. It's threaded. This right here is called an escutcheon. I'm going to leave the escutcheon on. The threads are nice and clean. The end here, there's still a little bit of pipe dope there. Let me see if I can wipe that off a little better. Now what I have to do is I have to put a little sealant on this pipe before I make my connection with the new valve. I'm going to use this. This is pipe joint compound. Some people call it pipe dope. Or if you don't want to use a compound, you can always use the plumber's tape. I'm going to squirt some right there in that pipe, like that. Then I'm going to use my finger. Oh, this is awkward. I'm going to use my finger there to go around. All I need to do is just screw that valve right on. Make certain that you don't cross thread. Take your time, okay? That's what I'm doing here. And then when I get it hand tight, it's pretty hand tight, I'm going to put my pipe wrench on that and turn it. Now, normally, I would put a cloth on this. If you're particular, you might want to do it so you don't scratch up the chrome. I'm going to go clockwise and tighten that up. Now, the pipe is in the way. Okay, it was a little awkward, so sometimes you just have to find the best wrench. This is an adjustable wrench to do the job. I'm going to tighten it up even further. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now it's time to replace the water supply line and connect it to our valve here. Now I'm going to tighten this by hand. And then when I can't turn it anymore, it's getting kind of hard at this point. Then I'll put a wrench on it. So I'm just going to tighten this up with the wrench here. Okay, so that's nice and tight. Now the water is back on at the main. I need to check my connections, make certain that I don't have any water coming from any place, not the valve and not the water supply line. I'm dry. Okay, now that all our connections are nice and dry, let's turn on the water, make sure that everything is good to go. And we're good. All right. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.